Hi loves, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. As you guys can see from the title, today we're going to be doing a hair review on a hair mask. So a hair product review on a hair mask is what I meant to say. This brand is Latina owned, and I decided, you know what, let's try a product that I've heard nothing but amazing things about and see how it works in my hair. So the product is obviously on the title. The product I'm going to be testing out is the Rizos Curls Vitamin C Hair Repair Mask. So I stopped by my local Ulta and this was literally the last one left. So I was like, that's a sign. So one thing I will say, the packaging is very cute. I've always loved their color combo. It's just so cute, and anything pink for me it sells. I haven't done like an in-depth like mask review in a very long time. So this is what the packaging looks like. I used to do these all the time, and I used to do like a whole 360 on the product. Should we do that in this video? We probably should. So this actually comes with 10 ounces of product. I want to say the product was actually 30 bucks. It was like $29, but with tax came to about $31. So it's not too bad. It is on the pricier side, but it does contain high quality ingredients, so you do get what you pay for. So let's see what the hype is about, because I've heard amazing things about it since it's dropped and I haven't gotten my hands on it, so I decided now is the perfect time. It says it repairs and shields hair damage, it adds luxurious softness, visibly healthier looking hair, improves shine and manageability. It has grapefruit and orange oil, which is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, and it gives an instant radiant glow and nourishing softness. It also contains maru butter, which is known for being deeply moisturizing, and it has reparative properties, reduces frizz, improves hair manageability, and it also has vitamin C, green tea extract, apple extract, shea butter, coconut oil, argan oil, and more. So let's see. It suggests that you apply after shampooing onto hair, comb through, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. All right, I'm definitely excited to try it because I feel like you can't really go wrong with a hair mask. That's like probably the first thing that I like to try from a brand, that and the shampoo. I have tried their shampoo and it's pretty good. It is more like, it's like a lightweight product, but it lathers up really nice and it leaves your hair soft. So I did really enjoy it last time I did try it. Maybe I'll do like a whole Rizos Curls type of review video, like just the full line. But I just wanted to try the mask because they didn't have like the full range of products at my Ulta. So I was like, let me just grab the mask and do like a mask Tuesday. This is what it looks like once you open it. I do like that it has like a little seal, so gives me a little bit of confidence that it hasn't been tampered with. So it does smell very citrusy and I like it. It does smell really nice. So let's see how it works out. I will show you guys the texture of it once I come out and apply it to my hair. So I'm gonna hop in the shower. Although my hair doesn't look bad, my scalp looks disgusting. Like my scalp is literally covered in dandruff. I'm gonna hop in the shower. I added some to my hands. I'm gonna add it to my ends to see how it feels. It does feel soft, but we shall see once my hair is uncovered in all this buildup I have. I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower and remove all of this buildup I have in my hair. Honestly, this is day 8 hair, guys. But I've been under the weather, so I haven't really been like outside like that. I've just been at home resting with my bonnet. So just the key to having your hair last forever is just don't work out. Don't work out, don't sweat, and just wear your bonnet all day. Like don't even leave your hair out, just stay in a bonnet. That's literally the key to making your hair last like 7+ days, because my hair is thriving. Like this is 7 days. I'm actually gonna show you guys what it looks like. So it looks like maybe day 3 hair, but it's actually day 7. So I'm very much impressed, but this scalp is so spoiled and it's so used to being washed frequently that it needs a good wash. So we're gonna go ahead, hop in the shower, wash our hair, and then we're gonna apply the mask together. So BRB.
Okay, so I decided to make this portion of voiceover because if I was to apply products and walk you guys through it, this video would be like 3 hours long. So I figured to go this route. So I am going to go ahead and apply the product to the perimeter of my hair. I did like that this product has a safety seal. I don't know if I talked about it in the beginning, but I think I did. It does have one of those seal tops, so I did like that. Upon applying it to the perimeter of my hair, it felt so nice. So the texture of the product is kind of, it's like a whipped formula. It's not super thick, so I was a little bit hesitant. but I did like the way it felt in my hair. I felt like the whipped formula melted into my hair, and as you guys see me working the product through and brushing it through, my curls are taking shape with this product. So I did the same thing to the other side, and as you guys know, I do like to add products to the perimeter of my hair because when I do section it off into smaller sections, it'll keep my hair moisturized in the process. I've done it times where I just plop it on the top of my head and then I have to go ahead and re-wet it and do all of that. So at least the product is actually working into my hair while it's tied away. But the way that my hair is eating away at this product, like, it is loving every second of this product. It has so much slip. I'm not gonna lie, I'm very much impressed with the formula and how nicely it's working in my hair. So I just go ahead and repeat the same exact process throughout my hair, as you guys see. And my hair is just drinking it up and enjoying every minute. So I love how all over the place this voiceover is because I completely forgot to tell you guys exactly how I prepped my hair. So I just simply shampooed and detangled my hair. So I went ahead and went in with a clarifying shampoo. I believe it was the Ouai Detox shampoo. And then I also conditioned with the Trader Joe's Nourish Spa conditioner. Rinsed it all out before I went ahead went in with the mask. I just don't like to detangle my hair with the new mask because I feel like it's not fair game because I end up using way too much product. So I did shampoo and condition beforehand, and then we are going right in with the mask. I also don't know why I just did a little scalp massage movement, but we're here for it.
Okay, you guys, so I just put this plastic cap on my head and I most likely will sit under the hooded dryer for a bit or add my thermal hot head to my hair just to add like that extra oomph to the deep conditioner. What I will say is I really like the mask. It felt like a very whipped type of formula, so I was like, I don't know how it's gonna work out because I like that thick, you know, the thick consistency formula, like that I can feel the moisture through the product. And it's not that you can't with this one, but it didn't feel super thick, so I was a little bit like hesitant on it, but it felt really good in my hair. Like the second I applied it to the perimeter of my hair, it melted like butter into my hair. So I like her so far. I am gonna sit under the hooded dryer, rinse it out and everything, and show you guys what it looks like afterwards, but so far so good. And you don't have to use too much to get like a good, you know, to work it into your hair really nicely. And again, it has lots of slip and it felt very moisturizing on my hair. One thing I also really like is the scent. It smells very citrusy and it's a vitamin C mask, and just like the citrusy gives me that vitamin C vibe. So my hair really liked it so far. Once I rinse it out, I will let you guys know what it looks like. You guys can see it for yourselves, but all in all, my hair really liked it and it looked really good.
Okay, so I actually sat in the hooded dryer for about 25 minutes because I got distracted, but look how moisturized my curls look. This still has product in it. I haven't rinsed it out yet, but I wanted to show you guys before I did.
Okay guys, so I just rinsed out the mask and look at this definition and shine that these curls have. Can we take a moment? I'm definitely a fan, and upon rinsing, my hair feels very soft, and it still has that lingering citrus scent, which smells so nice. It's very like, it's like an energizing scent. Like I really enjoy the scent. I am, again, not someone who's really into citrusy smells in my hair products, but I really do like the way this smells. But overall, I really did enjoy the mask, and if you've thought about trying this product from Pretty Souls Curls, I highly recommend it because, I mean, look at these curls. They look so defined. Again, they're super soft and very moisturized. So I will definitely be picking up this mask again. But I did want to show you guys the definition and the shine. Like, love this. I love this for me. Yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I bought it so you guys can see how it works and see if it's something that you guys would be interested in trying. I personally recommend it. If you've thought about it, definitely check it out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.